One is number one. Let's begin and have some fun. Clap your hands and count with me. One is where we start to be. Two is number two. I can count and so can you. Tap your feet and sing along. Counting makes our minds grow strong. Three is number three. Count together happily. Jump around and shout hooray. Learning numbers every day. Four is number four. Let's count louder than before. Move and dance from side to side. Counting is a joyful ride. Five is number five. Numbers help our minds to thrive. Clap and count with happy faces. Learning numbers in all places. Six is number six. Counting numbers is a trick. Say the numbers loud and clear. Learning time is always dear. Seven is number seven. Counting feels like fun and heaven. Sing the numbers one by one. Learning numbers is such fun. Eight is number eight. Counting numbers makes us great. Dance around and spin with glee. Count with friends and count with me. Nine is number nine. Learning numbers is so fine. Raise your hands and count once more. Numbers open every door. 10 is number 10. Let's all count from one again. Sing together loud and clear. Counting time is finally here. 11 is number 11. Counting makes us feel like heaven. Move your hands and stomp your feet. Learning numbers is a treat. 12 is number 12. Count the numbers by yourself. Smile and sing and clap along. Numbers make a happy song. 13 is number 13. Counting numbers keeps us keen. Dance around and count with pride. Learning numbers side by side. 14 is number 14. Numbers make our minds so keen. Sing the numbers every day. Learn and laugh and jump and play. 15 is number 15. Counting numbers is a dream. Clap your hands and shout with glee. Count together happily. 16 is number 16. Learning numbers is exciting. Count them slowly, count them fast. Fun with numbers always lasts. 17 is number 17. Counting makes our minds so keen. Sing and dance and smile today. Learning numbers all the way. 18 is number 18. Numbers help us learn and dream. Move around and sing with cheer. Counting time is always near. 19 is number 19. Count the numbers in between. Clap and dance and sing with me. Happy learners we will be. 20 is number 20. Counting fun for everyone plenty. We can count from 1 to 20. Numbers make our hearts so happy.
Thank you for watching. If you had fun, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon. See you again on ABC Spotlight.